said, I've been here 3.5 years now, and I'm leaving next month. So I'm telling people I meet that I'm leaving soon. And many people are interested in where I'm going. And I'm going back to Japan, but I stay there about a month and a half or so, and I'll get a new assignment. I go somewhere else. But you know, I can't tell you. I wanted to come to this place when I met with Izumi at my house. They talked about how nice this place is, so I wanted to come. I will come to this place, and I've been waiting for invitation. It didn't come until now. Finally it came, just in time for my departure. So, and I'm also very happy to see Ms. Irene Hirano on this occasion. She's been very active, promoting positive and productive relationship between the United States and Japan, and we are very grateful. And also, I am very grateful for members of U.S.-Japan Council, including BRIT. They are real friends of Japan. And this time, this program, I understand, is supported by the Tomodachi Initiative. Tomodachi Initiative was launched by Ambassador Ruth in 2011 after Great East Japan earthquake. 6 years have passed, but the Tomodachi Initiative is still very strong. I thank Tomodachi Initiative and Microsoft for their support towards this program. Now I have something to say to ILIB scholars. I'm very happy to see all of you. You look very happy, and so that makes me happy. Your stay here must have been a unique opportunity, learning various things. You use your experience and leadership when you go home. We look to you not only as leaders of tomorrow, but also as entrepreneurs of today. When you return to Japan, it is with these connections cultivated here, a desire to build a better and more connected world, and with heightened interest in US-Japan relations. In closing, I congratulate all the scholars for completing the program here and wish them the best of luck. Thank you very much.